The gift that keeps on giving financial smarts for little ones. Let's face it, we want our kids to grow up financially savvy. It's not about raising little Wall Street whizzes, but about equipping them with the skills to manage money confidently. Think of it as a crucial life skill like riding a bike or tying shoelaces, only with far-reaching implications. Teaching kids about money early on can make a world of difference. It's about instilling healthy financial habits that will serve them well throughout their lives. Early exposure to financial concepts can help kids make informed decisions later on, whether it's about spending, saving, or investing. Remember, it's never too early to start. Even preschoolers can grasp basic financial concepts. The key is to make it fun, engaging, and relevant to their world. So let's embark on this journey of raising financially responsible kids, one step at a time. Earning, spending, saving, the money trio. Imagine this. Your child wants a new toy. This is the perfect opportunity to introduce the money trio: earning, spending, and saving. Explain that money is earned by working. Share examples from your own job or chores they do around the house. Next comes spending. When we buy things, we use money. Help them understand that money is a finite resource, and once spent, it's gone. Now let's talk about saving. Explain that saving means setting aside some money for something special in the future. This is where the toy they desire comes in. Encourage them to save a portion of their allowance or birthday money towards their goal. This simple act teaches them patience, goal setting, and the value of delayed gratification. Needs versus wants, understanding the difference. One of the most valuable lessons you can teach your kids is differentiating between needs and wants. Needs are essentials, things we need to survive and live comfortably, like food, shelter, and clothing. Wants, on the other hand, are things we desire but can live without, like that shiny new video game or the latest gadget. Use everyday examples to illustrate this concept. For instance, explain that groceries are needs while candy at the checkout counter is a want. When your child asks for something, engage them in a conversation about whether it's a need or a want. This simple exercise helps them develop critical thinking skills and make more conscious spending choices. Piggy banks and beyond, practical saving for tiny tycoons. Now that they understand the concept of saving, it's time to introduce some practical tools. A piggy bank is a classic and visual way for kids to see their savings grow. Encourage them to drop in coins regularly and make it a habit. As they get older, consider graduating to a kid-friendly bank account. Many banks offer accounts designed specifically for children, with features like parental controls and educational resources. Taking them to the bank and letting them deposit their savings can be an empowering experience. Make saving fun by setting goals and celebrating milestones. For example, if they're saving for a bicycle, create a chart to track their progress. Once they reach their goal, celebrate their accomplishment. Remember, it's about instilling positive associations with saving. Planting the seeds for a secure future. Teaching financial literacy to kids is an ongoing journey, not a one-time conversation. By starting early and making it a part of their lives, you're giving them an invaluable gift, the ability to manage their finances responsibly and achieve financial well-being. In the next part of our series, we'll delve deeper into age-appropriate financial concepts and activities. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on raising mini money masters.